Hey guys, Chris over at Acevacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. We're at 300 Fort Edmonds Road. I want to talk to you guys today. We get a lot of cleaning companies in Northern Virginia from Loudoun and Fairfax counties that come in and do a lot of work with us. We do a lot of repairs for these companies. They buy a lot of our vacuums, ship bags, filters, all that type of stuff, all the accessories and stuff needed for their business. And we're more than happy. We love all of our cleaning companies. One of the biggest requests that we get as far as cleaning companies are involved, they want something that's lightweight, really powerful, and good for hardwood floors and area rugs. And this is the vacuum that we're going to talk about today, which is called the Sanitaire. It's a canister vacuum. It's lightweight. It has a carrying handle, so you can carry this vacuum. It also rolls behind you. There are two wheels here on the back, and then one little rotating wheel on the front. It does have a shoulder strap. It is a little bit bigger than the other one that I showed you guys, the Super Quick, but it is a little bit bigger, but it is very lightweight. Your hose and attachments all go right on the front here. It comes with a nice attachments, a crevice tool, upholstery tool, dusting brush. This has a nice commercial cord on it, so it's good 3-prong cord, so there's good amp and wattage on the machine, good suction. If you're somebody that has like a small apartment, a condo, or even a home that's predominantly more hardwood floors, steps, area rugs, and you do a lot of dusting, this is a good vacuum for you. And also, if any of the cleaning companies are watching, you're looking for a good vacuum that's reliable, built to last, and has good cleaning capability, check out the Sanitaire Mite. It's a very good vacuum. The bags are very inexpensive on this machine. We sell them here. We have 3 different models. You have the yellow one, the red one, and then the professional. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 703-997-9292. We'll stop by either a Leesburg or Fairfax location. Thank you guys, and have a great day.